multiply a binomial by a binomial. So you can apply distributive property provided that you are going to split the first binomial. So if you have x plus 3 times x plus 2, so you are going to have x times x plus 2, then 3 as x plus 2. So distribute x and 3. So that is x squared is x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Now what have you noticed on the result? This is now in the addition part. Since there are similar terms, 2x and 3x, so you have to combine the like terms. So this is addition since they have the same literal coefficient. So 2 plus 3, that is 5. Copy the common literal coefficient. Take note, do not add the exponent because this is addition. Can only add exponent during multiplication, just like what we did in the top of this example. So x times x, since this is multiplication, that is x squared, but 2x plus 3x, this is addition, so that is 5. Then copy the common literal coefficient. Take note, only similar terms can be added. So we will then copy the common literal coefficient. So 2 plus 3, that is 5x. Do not add exponent here because this is not multiplication. This is now addition. So after multiplication, try to check if there are similar terms. If there are similar terms, then you are going to combine applying addition of algebraic expression. So x squared plus 5x plus 6, since we don't have similar terms here, then therefore this is our answer. So that is binomial by binomial. So speaking of binomial, you can also apply FOIL method. This is the other method. What do you mean by FOIL method? So f stands for the first term. So you are going to multiply x by x. That is x squared. That is f. Next, outer term. So the outer here is x and 2 on the extremities part, on the rightmost and on the leftmost. So we have x times 2, that is 2x. Then I, that is the inner terms, that is 3 times x, the inner part of the uh, our expression. Then the last term is 3 and 2, that is 6. So this is now the product x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Again, as I had said a while ago, that if there are similar terms, we are going to combine. So since 2x and 3x are similar terms, so combine, that is 5x. So they have the same result. So you can also apply distributive property provided that you are going to split the multiplier by, that is by term, and then you are going to distribute. But you can also apply FOIL method for binomial by binomial. Take note, FOIL method can only be applied in binomial by binomial because we only have 4 steps. FOIL, that is FOIL. Then check if there are similar terms, then add. Okay, another example. So applying distributive. So that is, you have to distribute s, distribute to s minus 2. Then 4 distribute to s minus 2. So that is the result of s squared. That is s squared minus 2s plus 4s minus 8. So s times s times negative 2, that is negative 2s. 4 times s is 4s. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Since they are similar terms, negative 2 and 4s are similar terms, same literal coefficient. Adding negative 2 by 4 is unlike sign. We will subtract, copy the sign of the largest absolute value, that is positive 2s minus 8. Okay, quantity x minus 4 raised to the power of 2. You can split this, the product of two binomials, is x minus 4 times x minus 4. Still, you can also use FOIL method, x times x. This is the first term. Then x and negative 4 is the outer. Then negative 4 times x is inner. Then negative 4 times negative 4 is the last term. So the result is x squared plus minus 4x. This is minus 4 because it is unlike sign. Understood that we have here 1. 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Copy x. 4 times positive 1, that is negative 4, copy x. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. What have you noticed on the second and the third? They are similar terms. Since it is like sign, so that is equal to negative 8x. So negative 4 plus negative 4 is negative 8x, copy x. Take note, do not add exponent of negative 4x and negative 4x because this is not multiplication. So copy the common sign negative 8. So since we don't have similar terms here, therefore, this is our final answer. Now, how about this example? So still, you can also use FOIL method. Okay, so we have 8m squared times m squared, that is 8m to the power of 4. 8m squared minus times negative 3n, that is negative 24m squared n. And negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1 m squared n. So just copy m squared n. Then negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3n. So since this is similar terms, m squared m squared n, so that can be combined. Combine like terms, take note we have a negative 1. So negative 4 times, negative 4 minus 1, it is like sign. So add, copy the common sign. So negative 24 plus negative 1 is negative 25. Copy m squared n. Since we don't have similar terms here, so this is now our final answer. The same also with this example. So I'm going to distribute A. So this time we will use distributive property. Or this is actually the same as a FOIL method. So a square minus 4a plus 3a minus 12. Since negative 4a plus 3a is unlike sign, so we are going to subtract. Copy the sign of largest absolute value, that is a negative 1, because we are going to subtract 4 by 3. It is understood we have here negative 1. Do not add exponent here because actually this is a addition, not multiplication. So this is now the result. Same also with this. We are going to write a product of two binomials. So just FOIL method. So that is negative 6x. Take note, this is like sign. So this is not unlike sign. So this is not equal to 0. But you are going to add this negative 6x plus 9. How about this example? So the same also. Use FOIL method. So 2a times a is 2a squared. 2a times 4b squared is 8ab squared. Negative 1 times 1, that is negative 1, copy ab squared. So we are going to arrange, instead of b squared a, that is ab squared. Actually, they are also the same. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4b to the power of 4. Since we have here two similar terms, we are going to combine. So 8 minus 1, that is 7ab squared. So this is our final answer.